Section 3.3, rate of change in slope. Essential question. How do you find the slope of a line using the formula? So the slope formula is m equals, so m is what variable represents slope, y2 minus y1, so the change in y, over x2 minus x1, which is the change in x. Alright, find the slope of the line that passes through the points. So on every single problem in this lesson, we're going to use our slope formula to find the slope between the 2 points. So with our ordered pairs, we're always going to have 2 ordered pairs. You have to have 2 ordered pairs to be able to find the slope. We'll start by labeling them. So all ordered pairs go x, then y, just like the order of the alphabet. Then we're going to take one group of ordered pairs and put 1s by them. And then we'll take another group of ordered pairs and put 2s by them. Now you'll notice that we have all the things we need to plug into our formula. Because we need to start with a y2, which we have, it's right here, 8. Make sure you remember that the formula is subtraction, so it's going to be 8 minus. And then my formula says after y2 minus, it's y1, which y1 is 6. So that is the top of my fraction. Then when I go to the bottom of my fraction, I have x2 minus x1. So x2 is 4 minus x1 is 3. Now I can simplify. So 8 minus 6 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 2 over 1 is 2. So these 2 points have a slope of 2. So to get from one point to the next, I'm rising 2, running 1. All right, second one. So once again, our formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Change in y over the change in x. So I'll start once again by labeling my ordered pairs. So xy, xy. Then I'll pick one group of ordered pairs and put 1s by them. Take the other group of ordered pairs and put 2s by them. Okay, so I'll follow my formula again. I start with y2, which is 4, minus y1. Now notice y1 is a negative 2. So then I have to do 4 minus a negative 2. So that's going to change into a plus sign. Then on the bottom I have x2. So negative 6 minus x1, which is a negative 4. So once again, I'm going to have a super plus. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. So the slope between these 2 points, to get from one point to the other, is negative 3. Label my ordered pairs. xy, xy, 1, 1, 2, 2. So y2 is 3 minus y1, which is 3. Over x2, which is 7, minus x1, which is 1. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 7 minus 1 is 6. 0 divided by 6 is 0. So that means this line has a slope of 0. And I'm going to show you what a graph looks like really quick. If a graph has a slope of 0, it is a horizontal line. If a graph has a slope of 0, it is a horizontal line. xy, xy, 1, 1, 2, 2. So y2 is 2 minus y1, so minus a negative 1, super plus, over x2, which is 7, minus x1, which is also 7. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 7 minus 7 is 0. Now, if you look back to the last problem, our fraction was 0 over 6, and our slope was 0. This time, the 0 is on the bottom, and when the bottom is 0, our answer is undefined. Can't do 3 over 0. If you graph a line that has an undefined slope, your line is vertical. So a 0 slope, your line is horizontal. A vertical or a undefined slope, your line is vertical. Summary.